You wanna go back? Huh? So how are we gonna get up there? How are we gonna get up there? Judah. Guys, if you're watching the video still and you really love these videos, remember, give it a like, give it a share, and subscribe. So we out here trying to do this for you guys, you know, enjoy life and then show you guys these places before you even get here. So that way you know what to experience and you know if this place is gonna be the right place for you. Hey, there's like an infinity falls right there. It does, like over there. Let me double check my bag, make sure it's tied down properly.
Oh, it's not deep.
But they say no diving off here, so for all the divers, get fresh out of luck. Anyway, we just trekking through here with Lady Tarzan. So we're pretty much trying to go find where the guys went. Let's walk here, baby. That's what we're doing right now. I'm shooting on the GoPro 5, the Hero 5 or whatever they call it. I kind of really wish GoPro improves their thing, like the lighting and the sound and stuff. Huh? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. So I don't know how well you guys can hear me. Oh! Oh no, where I look for? Deep? Very deep. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pull out the other camera and show you guys better quality really quick. Try to show you guys as much as I can up here. So I'm just heading back down really quick, right through here. I really hope I don't fall, because yo, this is pretty slippery. Alright. It's pretty slippery. Oh boy, it's crazy. But here got a nice vibe to it, man. Come on, babe. Turn on to the bottom. Girl, you a little she-devil. She wants to climb down to the bottom. What?
He's trying to get me back in the water again.
Again? It's really good though. She jumped down in the water. Yo. Yo. I can tell you guys, yo, the vibe here is just chill. It's right. The only thing that's missing here is food. Like I kind of wish that there was some food here. You know, no other vibe there, but it's pretty cool, man. My hair is all frizzled out and stuff, but yeah. Just here chilling, man. God, guys, yo, if you ever come to Jamaica and you don't make it out here, something wrong. So yeah, so the vibe nice. It's just very natural. Again, the cost is only $500. You can walk around, do everything you want. US people is about $10 for adults and stuff, so that's pretty good. Yeah, but we just chilling.
Definition of chill. Definition of chill.
Alright. They turn on. Nice. You gonna jump? Alright, so guys, we're pretty much back at the car. I'm just packing our stuff away. I'm getting ready to leave. So remember these 3 things as always: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.